Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Destination Thailand visa as well as standard retirement visas and the OA retirement visa here in Thailand, so retirement visa categories. So the first thing to understand when we're talking retirement visas, there are two. There is an OA retirement visa, which is often issued from embassies and consulates outside of Thailand. And then there is what some would refer to, including myself, as the standard O retirement visa, specifically retirement visa extension, which is issued here in Thailand. They're very different things. They have very different ramifications. As I've discussed in other videos, the standard O retirement visa, in my opinion, is arguably the best visa category for folks who are over 50 looking to basically retire and just live in Thailand. If you don't have any desire to work or anything, that's a great visa. And I know that there's all of this notion, oh, you got to go where it treats you good or whatever these different folks out there in the ether of the internet talk about with regard to, seeking out, the country that's going to be the best for you to retire in. My opinion is you really just need to weigh the pros and cons, the countries you specifically like, and then look at visa options. And at the end of the day, especially out here in Asia, there's not a lot of better countries in terms of a retirement visa that's continuously renewable without a great deal of overall cost than, again, the standard retirement visa. Even the OA, which has an insurance requirement, and again, the standard retirement visa, O retirement visa, does not necessarily have that. Even the OA, in my opinion, is pretty darn reasonable in terms of overall costs compared to any other possible options out here in Southeast Asia. Meanwhile, the thrust of this video gets to the question of which is better, the Destination Thailand visa or the retirement visa. First thing to understand is the Destination Thailand visa does not, as I've discussed in many other videos, it does not grant any kind of work authorization in Thailand. And people get into this whole thing, well, they say it's allowed if you're not working in Thailand. As we've discussed in other videos, the Ministry of Interior put out a notice that said if it impinges upon the Thai economy, then you will have issues with the DTV in terms of work authorization. Well, that can cover a lot of ground. Meanwhile, another issue with the DTV, banking facilities are quite a problem on the Destination Thailand visas. We've discussed in other videos, not only are they not allowing new folks on Destination DTVs, on Destination Thailand visas to get bank accounts, but we're even seeing instances and hearing of them anecdotally where they're actually shutting down people's accounts who have those visas. Standard non-immigrant visas, like the retirement visa, are not being subject to these same rules and restrictions. So if you're of retirement age and you can meet the requirements, especially financially, all things considered, it's my overall opinion, and again, each and every individual case is going to be adjudicated differently based on the underlying facts and circumstances in that case. But that said, in the vast majority of circumstances, it's my opinion that, especially as it pertains to the standard O retirement visa, and as I've discussed with regard to my opinions regarding the possibility of grandfathering those type of visa holders in, I think all things considered, folks who are of retirement visa age who can meet the criteria should probably be at least looking more heavily at a retirement visa rather than a DTV for a variety of different reasons. Most notably, I think they're going to just have a lot less headaches long term. Now, if you're not of age, the Destination Thailand visa can be a very good option for those who have not hit 50, which is the age threshold for retirement visas here in the Kingdom of Thailand.